morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I don't think I officially greeted you guys, but welcome back to another vlog. I'm so happy to be doing this thing, vlogging. Yes, I'm trying to vlog. I'm trying to bring that to my channel, so expect a lot of vlogs from me. As you can see, I did my hair. I love it. I love the convenience. It's so easy, like waking up and not doing your hair, just putting it in a bun or leaving it like this. It's so easy. I wish I could wake up every day like this, but no, girl. I don't know why they should do that, but no, girl. Like, I have natural hair. It needs to be taken care of. But you guys, it's a new day. I don't know what I'm going to do today. We are just going to let the day bring us. It's so gloomy outside today. I don't think we're going to have sun today, so I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm going to do that and put on my clothes and then head out the door. Okay, I don't have anything specific that I have to do today. Yes, I wanted to do my nails, but you do have to make an appointment, so I didn't make an appointment. I did want to do some cute nails I saw on Pinterest. So cute. Let me show you a picture. This I wanted to do. You can't see it, but I will place it on the screen. So I want to do that on my nails if it's possible, because I cut my nails, you guys. One of my nails broke, so I had to cut all of it off. I'm going to do gel nails. Oh my god, it's going to be so cute. Focus. Now I'm going to eat. This is my breakfast. Let me show you. Very simple. I like my eggs like this, you guys. Sometimes I like to put my bread in the air fryer. I like when it's crunchy, when my bread is crunchy. But today I'm very hungry, so we're going to eat it like this. And you have my tea. I love tea, and to spice things up, I'm going to add some ketchup. So yeah, let's have breakfast, guys. Forgot to show you guys about some cute slippers. They're so cute, so cute. I'm not going to show them on my feet though, because I need to have a pedicure ASAP. I look so white. Let's lower the app exposure. But you guys, I have an important announcement, is that today I'm going to finally buy the MacBook M1. I wanted to buy the new 14-inch MacBook, but I saved a lot to the point where I can buy the 2020 version, so I'm going to buy that M1, and I've heard some great things about it and I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm gonna be like this. I'm gonna show you this meme that I saw on the internet and it's like literally me. So I'm going to buy the M1 MacBook today and I can't wait. It's going to be a breeze to edit and saying goodbye to my phone, because the way I was editing, so I didn't have enough storage on my phone, my actual phone, and my brother gave me his phone, his old phone, that's like an iPhone 7, and it has a storage of 128 gigabytes. So I transport my footage from the camera to that phone to my phone, you guys, the ghetto. But I'm so happy. So I'm going to edit with breeze, and I think I'm going to have more motivation to film. And yes, I'm so excited. Maybe I'm going to get the new iPhone 13 too, but I don't know. I'm a little scared to give out so much money at once, so maybe I will buy the M1 MacBook first, then maybe later on I'm going to buy the new iPhone 13, because I do need a new phone. My current phone, I think I have it for, I think it's 5 going on 6 years. That's how long I have my phone. But I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited, and it's all possible because of you guys watching my content, supporting me, even though I'm not consistent most of the time. But I'm trying, guys. I'm trying to be consistent.